Hello guys, welcome to the third episode of Sandwich Craft by The Vicious Sandwich, and today we're just gonna be expanding our house into this mountain over here. But before we do that, I'm just gonna tell you what this is. It's just a little time lapse I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, that'll be cool. And it's just gonna be like a castle. And so let's just come up over here. And so what I'm thinking is keeping all this water and making like a room or like a wall outside of it, and then big glass windows on the top here. I'll also be making like pavement over here, like kind of a lobby and a pathway to this place, and I think that'll be cool, and I'll be back when I've done that. Alright guys, I've finished that and it's looking really nice. I love this view here. Sorry I couldn't record it. It's just really hard recording and building at the same time. Whoa, oh yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I'm gonna have the same thing on the other side, same windows over here. I've also got this area here. And yeah, it's looking really good. So guys, I've made a slight change of plan here. Instead of having just one window on this side, thinking of digging through to the other side, so that it's just more open and it looks better. And yeah, I think that'll look pretty good. So I'll just clear this out and I'll be back when I've done that. So there we have it guys, it's a lot more open now, and all I have to do now is fill in the glass, which I'll just use this now, and I have ran out of glass, so I'll just put this in and I'm gonna get some more. So right now I am cooking glass, and while I was at the rivers getting the sand for it, I found clay, which I'm making some bricks, and I think it'll go well with something inside there, because I don't know, bricks looks nice. And anyway, I'm gonna put in the glass, and yeah. So guys, that's that done and dusted, and I think it looks pretty clean and really nice. So yeah, I've made a ring around those windows, and I've also taken a screenshot of this. And I've finished this lobby down here, and yeah, I think it looks really nice, and it's a good finishing touch to my base. So guys, what I'm planning for the next episode is to finish off this mob spawner over there, and also I'm just gonna quickly show you this mine shaft I've made, and this goes to Jamo's house. I've also put some finishing touches down there, and yeah, and here we are at Jamo's new base, which is looking pretty good. He's added this little tunnel that we connected up. It's got these farms over here, and yeah, his house is really big, which looks nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs and show you something. So guys, what I've made for Jamo is a chicken farm like mine. It's more compact than mine because he has a cobblestone house. Though he still has a wooden floor, but he doesn't really mind about that. And yeah, me and Jamo were talking, and he wanted a pet pig, and I couldn't find one, so that's all I got for him. Just a sheep. But he doesn't really mind about that. And yeah, he's got this good bed placing, and I'll be back when it's day. So guys, that's the end of the episode. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.